fractional distillation is a fancy process that's used to separate different liquids from a mixture. Now, it might sound similar to simple distillation, but here's the key difference. In simple distillation, you just heat up the whole mixture and collect the vapor that comes off. But with fractional distillation, we use a special column that acts like a series of little distillation steps. As the vapors rise up through the column, the different liquids get separated out based on their boiling points. Pretty neat. You see, the lower boiling liquids vaporize first and condense at the top of the column, while the higher boiling ones take a little longer to make their way up. This allows us to collect the different components of the mixture one by one, instead of just getting a big old jumble. It's kind of like sorting laundry. You don't just throw all your clothes in the dryer at once, you do it in batches to keep things nice and tidy. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.